I hit this issue to date, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If your LinkedIn profile has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to get it back. Step 1. Review LinkedIn's policies. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information such as your email address, profile details, and any communication from LinkedIn regarding the suspension. This will be useful when you contact support. Step 3. Contact LinkedIn support. Go to the LinkedIn Help Center and submit a support request. Clearly explain your situation and provide the gathered information. Be polite and concise in your message. Step 4. Verify your identity. LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity. This could involve confirming your email or phone number linked to your account. Make sure you have access to these. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient as LinkedIn reviews your case. It may take a few days to get a response, so check your email regularly for updates. If you follow these steps, you should be on your way to recovering your profile. Good luck, and I hope you read back on LinkedIn soon.